Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As with my previous 3 videos, today's video is another time-lapse of my day. It's raining this morning and I'm considering staying another day in Pacitan because riding a motorcycle in the rain isn't much fun. Let me tell you a bit about the city of Pacitan. Pacitan is a small coastal town located in East Java, Indonesia. Known for its beautiful beaches, Pacitan is a popular destination for surfers and beach lovers. The town is surrounded by lush green hills and has a relaxed and laid-back atmosphere. In Pacitan, visitors can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities such as surfing, snorkeling, and hiking. The town is also famous for its traditional food, including seafood dishes and local snacks. Pacitan is a hidden gem in East Java and offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the big cities. But around 10 a.m., the rain stops and I decide to start my journey at 10:22 a.m. I'm heading towards the city of Malang where I plan to spend a day. Let me tell you a bit about the city of Malang. Malang is a city located in East Java, Indonesia, with a population of over 820,000 people. The city is known for its cool climate, beautiful scenery, and cultural heritage. Malang offers many attractions such as the ancient Hindu temple of Singasari, the breathtaking Mount Bromo, and the charming colonial architecture in the city center. The city is also famous for its culinary delights, such as the local specialty of bakso Malang and nasi krau. Malang is a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists and has many universities and colleges, making it a center for education and innovation in the region. Around 2 p.m., the sky starts to darken, and I continue towards a larger city where I have a better chance of finding a hotel. Finally, at 3:39 p.m., I checked into a hotel in the city of Tulungagung. Let me tell you a bit about the city of Tulungagung. Tulungagung is a regency in East Java, Indonesia, located between the provinces of Central Java and East Java. The city is known for its traditional arts and culture, including the Riog Ponorogo dance, which originated in the neighboring town of Ponorogo. Tulungagung is also famous for its natural beauty, with many waterfalls and scenic landscapes, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The city is home to several historical and cultural landmarks, such as the ancient Hindu temple of Candi Reho, which dates back to the 14th century, and the Palace of the Prince of Tulungagung, a beautiful example of traditional Javanese architecture. The people of Tulungagung are friendly and welcoming, and the city has a vibrant culinary scene with many delicious local dishes to try. Thank you for watching my video, and I would appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel to support me.
Familiar might be easy, but the unknown calls my name.
If we don't find our own, we'll be here forever.
Don't want a life that's empty when I got the world to gain.
Let's run towards the sun, we've nothing left to lose.
Adventure might be scary, but my heart is wearing thin.
Step 1, have some fun, live the life we choose.
Goodbye ordinary, oh, where do we begin?
Oh,
We can go by land or by sea. Ooh, me and you, it's all that we need. Just
ghost, heart exposed. Tell me, do you trust me?
Not trying to escape my life, but it could escape me.
You know we're not supposed to give up on what we dream.
I don't care how long it takes us, we're gonna grow some wings.
Oh,
We can go by land or by sea. Ooh, me and you, it's all that we need.
just one foot in front of the other. Take a breath and then take another. Fill our lungs with the air of summer. This is a grand adventure. Just one foot in front of the other. Take a breath and then take another. Fill our lungs with the air of summer. This is a grand adventure.
Three 3,000 miles from home, trying to say that I will get there soon. 30 days I walk down this way, singing my madness to the moon. I met a cat on a tree, and it talked to me about things we don't see. I asked it, how do I know which is the right way to go to get me home? And it said, don't look for a reason, don't look for another way, 'cause anyway we'll get you home. You can't get lost if you don't know where you go, and anyway we'll get you is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. Oh, no, you aren't lost, just go and trust yourself. In life, felt like I'd never arrived, but my perspective was wrong. If I don't know where I'm going, I can't get lost. This way is my home. Is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. No, you aren't lost, just go and trust yourself. And maybe tonight we're not getting home, and maybe I don't know where I wanna go. Maybe tonight we'll knock on the wrong door, and maybe tonight we'll sleep on the floor, but it's alright. I'm already home, I'm already home. This is right. I don't have to know where I wanna go, 'cause this way is my home.
When the walls shadows break, and the night wakes calling, and then you wait, and all that you're called with. When the fight breaks, you're crawling on now. Why do you carry all of the world inside you? Don't wait. You don't have to wait until it takes you. Don't wait, the light will come through. You don't have to wait until it takes you. Don't wait, the light will come through. You don't have to wait until it takes you.